Hi, how you doing today? Okay, so if we go into the YouTube studio of this channel, we generated around 1079.11 euros in 1 month. We had days where we earned 82 euros, days with 46 euros, and even some days with 90 euros. This is crazy. One of our videos got nearly 100,000 views, but fortunately or unfortunately earned just 120 euros. This is like $110. Okay, that's very low. It's like the RPM is around $1 and $120. This is very low, right? But after a few days or even months, the video keep getting views and continues making money, and that's the power of YouTube. Let me show you real quick the reason why this 100,000 views video earn so little amounts of money. So the first thing to look at is the audience ages. Okay, and as you can see, the audience of this video is ranging from 18 to 35 years old. But this is not even the most important one. This is the killer one. Listen, the geographic. As you can see here, 20% from India, 80% from the US, and 7% from the Philippines. If I was having this 20% audience from the US, I would have been making $300 to $500 with just this same video and the same amount of views. But unfortunately, that is it. So my friend, if you have been posting videos on YouTube and you are not getting views that you deserve, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 hacks that I use every time I create a new YouTube channel to help me to at least get views and not be stuck with those people under 100 views, around 20, 50, 100 and 200 views. At least I get my first viral video, and with that you can have the momentum now to continue and start getting views and then eventually grow your YouTube channel. Because if you start a YouTube channel today, it's very rare for you to get monetized in 1 week. It happens. Like the last video I just did, I monetized my YouTube channel in 6 days, and I recommend you to watch that video. It's very important if you want to know how to get monetized on YouTube fast. So in this video I'm going to share with you those 5 hacks, and I'm really sure it will help you if you watch this video till the end. So for those who don't know me, my name is Joshua. I've been on YouTube since 6 years now. I've been creating several YouTube channels both in French and English. So on this YouTube channel, what I do is I share with you the real strategy I use to grow my YouTube channels, how to grow on YouTube, how to start a YouTube automation, whether you want to show your face or not. It's all about growing your YouTube and monetizing your channel. So if you're interested in it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and activate all the notifications so you won't ever miss any of my next videos. So the hack number 1 is the channel trust rate. Let me explain this. Everyone is obsessed about CTR, click-through rate, but YouTube doesn't push creators that it doesn't trust, and the trust is built by who is watching, how long they watch, and what they do after they watch your video. So what you do is very simple. Create videos that bring viewers from tier first countries like UK, US, Canada, Australia. This is very important because when the YouTube algorithm sees people that the advertisers love watching your videos, it says, oh, let's push this more, it's safe and it is profitable. And you really understand that when you know exactly the goal of YouTube. When you know the goal of YouTube, what I just said, that you understand it clearly. The hack number 2 is the algorithm memory reset. If your YouTube channel is stuck, this will shake it awake. If you notice that your channel is stuck right now, the best thing you can do is to post 3 or 5 high quality videos back to back. It can be 1 video per day, 1 video every 15 hours, but you need to post high quality videos back to back, not posting the same thing you were doing before. And this is very important. When I say high quality videos that can make people watch longer, high retention, and you post back to back from 1 week or 2 weeks, you see the difference. Because when you do that, the YouTube algorithm know, oh, this creator is more active than ever, let me try his content. And then YouTube will start trying your content a bit by bit, and the new strategy that you learn and everything I'm sharing you on this channel, definitely you grow your YouTube channel. But firstly, the most important thing you need to know is to active your YouTube channel. If you have a dead YouTube channel, whatever you do, it might be the best thing ever, it won't work. So that's why this second hack is very important, and all YouTubers are using this, even me. When you post consistently and something happens in your life and you are not able to post anymore, and you spend 1 week or 2 weeks without posting any video, when you come back it will be very difficult for you. So you need to go back to back, post back to back high quality videos, signal the YouTube algorithm that you are back. The hack number 3, this is the playlist strategy. A lot of people ignore playlists. Even me back then, I don't even like playlists. I don't like it at all. But there is a huge advantage using it, but using it smartly. Let me explain. Create a playlist targeted into your niche. For example, if you do video about how to make money online or business online, definitely you do videos about different topics like dropshipping, how to make money, website, and all those things. So just for that, you need to create different playlists for each type of videos. It might be dropshipping playlist for dropshipping, playlist for online businesses, playlist for whatever it is. So whenever you do a video, you add that video in your playlist, and what you do now is to mix that playlist with 3 or 4 big creators in your niche. It's very possible, and YouTube help you to do that. You can mix other YouTubers in your playlist, so whenever someone watch those videos, then the video will be on the next line. The hack number 4, YouTube suggested, is a huge and powerful traffic source, but people don't know how to train it. They think it's by luck. How can you do this? Let me explain. It's very simple. What do is you take your phone, you go to YouTube, okay, and you're going to do some research about your niche. Let's say, for example, I found a video called how I got 10,000 subscribers in 30 days. So what can I do? It's very simple. What you do first is you copy the title, okay, the same format of that video that got a lot of views, okay, it's a viral video. And after doing that, you now add your own keyword and phrases. For example, let's say the original video is how I got 10,000 subscribers in 30 days. My video becomes how I got my first 1,000 subscribers fast, inspired by. You type the name of the creator. This is very powerful. So when you do that, or you type creator's name on your title, this is very important, because when you do that, the YouTube algorithm will start recommending your videos to the audience of those creators, start associating your channels together. So the hack number 5 is the invisible CTA that double subscribers. Instead of telling people subscribe if you like this video, comment, this is so weak. For example, let's say YouTube video about YouTube growth, okay, how to grow on YouTube. At the end of your video, you can say, okay, if you learned something in this video that you didn't know, first of all, tell me in the comment section and hit that subscribe button, because in the next video, I'm sharing something that will change everything for your YouTube channel. If you don't want to miss it, activate all the notifications right now, and I'll see my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out. And definitely they will subscribe because they don't want to miss your next video. Simple as that. So now you know the hacks I use to get 100,000 views and 1,000 subscribers fast on my channels. And you know YouTube is not luck, it's about trust, signals, and strategy. So now this is your turn. Subscribe if you don't want to miss the next video, because it might help you grow your YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye. Joshua. Peace out.